When Cora was attacked, anyone will feel like Justin will not say anything, Justin will keep quiet, try to like save himself from the mess because anytime something happens to Cora, somehow the blame gets to him. But apparently, it's not like that because Justin still came out to make a statement. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. And if I'm a returning subscriber, thank you for always being here. Kiss kiss, love you. So guys, let's move right into the gist. So when this thing happened to Cora, where an estranged woman, according to people, she's about 40 years plus. She's a woman in her 40s. She's a black woman who decided to attack Cora when Cora was doing live streaming. As I said, Cora is always disclosing her location in live streams. How can you be doing live stream and you're walking on the street and your phone is showing the signboard, the streets you are walking on? Somebody can just decide to come out of where they are and attack you. But this one, she was actually coming out of an apartment where her sister, according to the sister who came out to talk, Nancy Ume, she said the sister was in an undisclosed apartment, okay? And her sister was walking down the stairs. That's when the attack came. Cora is always doing live stream. Everywhere she's doing live stream. It remains small make Cora do live stream for bathroom. But that is her content. You can't even blame Cora. I don't know why people hate Cora, right? So Justin then came out and made a comment under a post. He said she's always doing this. Get the point though? He said she's always doing this. That she should be a role model to our girls. And now, people now went under the comment section to attack Justin Zin. Like, they didn't expect him to be saying this. Right now, Cora just escaped death, and all he's saying is that she's doing this for fame. Now, Justin Zin feels like sometimes when Cora feels she's not having views, that she'll just come out and pull pull a stunt, pull something, pull drama up for people to know that, yeah, Cora, I'm still available. People should not forget me. I'm still here. Yes, the truth is that sometimes content creators do these things. When you see that you're losing relevance, even you on YouTube, some of the big YouTubers here on YouTube, they do it. When they feel like they're losing relevance, people don't talk about them. There's no drama around them because some people they grew through drama. Whether you like it or not, some people grew through drama. So when they notice that there is no drama around them, they pull out some stunts. They pull out drama. You get to grow. So in just in this mind, this thing Cora is doing might even be that it's just another one of her drama. That's why I'm saying that she's always doing this. I wish she can just be a role model to our girls, right? Because Justin and Cora both have two beautiful children, two beautiful daughters. Okay, so now people are saying that why did Justin say that kind of thing? That they did not expect Justin to write that kind of thing. Now, if you ask me, was it okay for Justin to write that thing? For me, no. But was he trying to defend himself in other places? Yes. Why? Because apparently there are videos of people saying the woman was arrested and when she was interviewed, she was calling Justice's name. That is Justin, that she's a fan of Justin. Now, because somebody is your fan doesn't mean that you control what they actually go and do. You can only control your fans in your video. You can tell them, oh, please, I don't want you people to disturb Cora. Please stay away from Cora. Don't go to our comment section to bash her. You can only do that. You get, but you can't actually control their after, how would I put it, after social media life. Because that person right now wasn't on Justin's live stream or Justin's video. The person went out of social media to go and attack Cora. And I'm not even sure it was through Justin. Now, it could still be that Justin's fan, that he just angry Cora left Justin like that. Or he just angry that Cora is doing so well after Justin came after Justin broke her heart. Cora is still doing well. Cora is still dancing. Cora is still happy. Some people are not happy that you are happy. In this life, I've known something. In the course of being on social media as a content creator, I have noticed that there are some people that will never be happy because you are happy. They don't want to be happy. You get the point? So if you look at all these things, you will now know, you will now discover that it's people that just hate Cora. It might not even be coming from Justin Dean. Because you'll be asking, if it's Justin Dean, this Justin Dean is white. The woman that attacked is black. If I thought Justin Dean want to do something with somebody to go and attack his former wife, is it with a black that he knows that this black is like my wife's sister? Because Cora herself is a black. So if he wants to even do it, he will first of all think this person might snitch on me because blacks always have a way to stand by themselves. But I discovered and I heard that blacks in the diaspora, they don't stick by themselves. They don't, stand by themselves. I don't know, but at least there are few that actually stand by themselves, right? So I'm still wondering, seriously, I'm still wondering and I'm still thinking why somebody of that age want to harm Cora. Because Cora is a young lady. Cora is not up to 50. What could have Cora done? What is it that Cora has done to even deserve this kind of thing? Try to pour her acid. Thank God the acid was not hydrochloric acid, okay? But if it was hydrochloric acid, all that time, Cora was shouting, hey, please, oh, you people, come and tell me how to deserve acid. For where she go down fall for grant. She go dey fall for ground dey roll. Because hydrochloric acid, as e touch your body, so e don dey chop your skin. We thank God it was not hydrochloric acid. And not, the person did not stop in the acid. The person now tried, according to what Nancy came on live to say. She said the person did not stop. The person carried a knife and wanted to stab Cora. As at that point, if Cora had like maybe the phone would have maybe fell down in a strategic position, we would have seen everything. But you can notice that from the life, Cora did not switch off the life. You notice her struggling, according to Nancy, struggling with the knife. That if Cora was not a strong girl trying to struggle that knife with the lady wanted to stab Cora in different parts. And along the line, Cora got injured in some parts. You get, after pouring acid, you still carry knife. This is to tell you how some fans can be terrible. You'll be here like this, fan of another content creator is just hating on you. They wish they can see you on the road and buy you. That's how bad some fans are on social media. It's when I became a content creator, I know how fast some people hate people. Content that everybody is doing and laughing about it. Some people are in one place hating on you, praying for your downfall. They wish your marriage can crash. They wish your life can bend. They wish you can just die. They wish your family members can just die. This is how toxic social media is. So sometimes I laugh when some people think that the social media space is a safe place to bring their family matter and come and talk about it, come and talk about their marriage, come and disclose certain things. No, social media doesn't like you. Social media is not a safe place at all. But people think social media is a safe place. But if you have sense, at the point you will know that social media is not a safe place. That's when I see sometimes people are busy behaving anyhow on social media, bringing out their bad attitude on social media, behaving like cow on social media. I just laugh because I feel like your life on social media is not supposed to be your life real life. Sometimes there are certain things you're not supposed to bring out your life like that. Wow, on social media. Cora, see, I thank God that the court was able to give a law that both Cora and Justin Dean should not bring out their children on social media. If not, by now, we would have seen a lot of things about Cora children on social media. But we thank God that things are not like that. For the fact that she and Justin Dean, had that issue and the court had to rule that keep the kids out of your videos. If no, who knows whether it's the children they would have come to attack and children wouldn't have been able to fight back. So you see why we are saying that not everything should be out here on social media. But anyway, guys, according to Justin Dean, he was just trying to fight for himself because people are saying he's the one, right? People have started saying it on social media, comment sections have started blaming him. People have started writing on comment section blaming him. So he had to, somehow come and defend himself. And he was like, people are saying bad things about me and I'm defending myself. And you see it as a problem. But somehow, so me too, I will not blame Justin Dean for coming out to say such, okay? That he's defending himself. But he shouldn't have said it like that was a stunt. Like she pulled that stunt. It was a prank to just get attention. He shouldn't have said that part, okay? But defending himself under the comment section, because he said other things under the comment section, right? That one is not a bad thing because he was defending himself. Anywhere they just call his name, he say, I beg, it's not me, oh. Because people like saying that thing anytime something happens to Kura. Anyway, guys, as you say, let me come and give you people the gist. Anyway, guys, bye for now.